Thank you for stopping by my channel. Before we get to the video, please like and subscribe to Life Around Barber. I thank you. I appreciate it. Push that like button. Push that subscribe button. Thank you. Let's get to the video. What's up, guys? This is Roy the Barber. Welcome back to the lab. Life Around Barber. I got a question in one of the comments like, what's the best trimmer, man? All-purpose trimmer. I was going live the other day, and man, my top trimmer, like all-purpose. I ain't talking about hitters. I ain't talking about just or bulk removers, but just the best. If you had just one trimmer to rely on for everything, for like literally everything, kid safety, bulk removing, good enough crispy lines, good charging, good nice in the hand, I would say these right here, the JRLs, these right here is probably probably the best trimmer I ever used, because it's not loud, it's consistent, it's quiet, it doesn't lag, it cuts through bulk very easy, it's kid safety, it doesn't nick, doesn't cause irritations. The coating on this blade, top notch. The quality of the blade, top notch. The cutting blade lasts very long. I would say the housing is questionable. I mean, if you drop it, will crack easy. I haven't dropped it, but that machine is top notch. The other machine that is pretty much an all-purpose top notch machine. If I had to go with another trimmer that is pretty good, is this one right here, man. I like this blade for bulking, for everything. I literally like this blade because it doesn't snag. It's more versatile than the standard crafty blade. But I think this is number 2 for me. Some people is number 1. This is number 2. It get kind of loud though. It's vibration loud. It's vibration tough in the hand. This right here, this machine, this JRL machine, the 2nd edition. They probably have a 3rd edition. This is the 2nd edition. They got the 3rd edition out now. They're probably just as good too. I probably won't be buy. If I do get the 3rd edition, this has to have failed on me. But I've been having this for probably about going on maybe 2 years now. No, the only thing I did was just bought a new blade for it, and that's about it. But besides that, this machine, man, I'm talking about when it comes to just literally lining, bulking removal with ease. It's literally, it bulks so good. It's like if I'm using my oysters. Like this bulks so good. I feel like it can literally, it can almost replace this bulk remover. That's how good this removes bulk. Like, it's literally as if it's a orster detachable bulk remover. That's how good this removes bulk. This right here is, man, it's that good. It's still not as powerful as this machine, but this machine cuts different. It just cuts different. This never digs. This doesn't dig in pores, period. And this also, because of how the blade is pretty much beveled off on the end. It's not sharp, but it's more of a rounded finish. And a lot of other outliners have a very point finish, which that's why sometimes you dig in hair pores. And a lot of times some clients, they have bigger pores than others. When it doesn't dig, that means 9 times out of 10, the client has more tightly closed hair pores, which help glide across the skin. But you have clients that have bigger pores in a certain part of the head. And on the neck area, you can have big pores. On the cheeks, you have big pores. So that's why it digs in there. Have bigger sockets on their pores. But that machine, that JRL, is second to none, pretty much first to none. So if you really just looking for like the ultimate all-purpose, like literally jack of all trades and still mastering them trades, JRL trimmer. I'm serious. That JRL trimmer is amazing. It's amazing. I can't say nothing bad about it. Maybe I could just question the build quality as far as the plastic housing on certain areas, but besides that, I really prefer that machine. And another machine that's pretty underrated, like really underrated. One machine that's really underrated is probably this right here, my Apex. I've been putting these to use again. My Apex, I didn't change. I have multiple Stylecraft machines, so I made a little personal coating. I have these Fabulous blade on here. This is awesome. This is an awesome machine. But yeah, this is also, what this machine reminds me of? It's like it gives me the feel of cutting like a detachable, because how the deep tooth cutter, I think it runs the same type of RPMs as far as cutting speed with the torque. It feels like a detachable power torque. That's what this machine does. Like this machine, like if I put like a one blade on here and then I put like a 1.5 blade on here, right? The cut almost looks similar. So if I do like a 1.5 cut, wave cut, or one wave cut, and I put a 1 or 1.5 or a 1 3/4 blade on this machine and do it a wave cut, right? If I do a wave cut, it's damn near look similar. Like this right here, I put a guard because of the deep tooth cutting of this machine. Because you already know the reason why the detachable cuts so good, because at the end of the day, they have deep tooth cutting blades too. So it's kind of the similar cutting method. This right here is kind of the similar cutting method. Like these machines, like it reminds me such of a detachable cut. So like these two, so it's kind of like, bro, if I had like if it's like, okay, any cut, clean cut, I probably have these two machines right here. I could really rock all day. Just this machine, this Apex machine with this trimmer, if I had to just one, it'd probably be this now. Just one machine, I could rock out all day. Like this, it gets out ball lines, it gets out everything. I could get out, if I still have a little bit of a line between the balding of a trimmer or a shaver, I could just take this machine right here. I could probably rock out any cut, wet, dry haircut with these machines, with these two machines, with this shaver right here. I could rock out all day. If I was like, man, I'm gonna have, if I have like 15 clients, 20 clients that day, all hair textures, all styles. This is what I'm talking about. All hair texture, all styles. Any cut. Any cut. We talk about all walks of life. I could get it done with probably these two machines. Because at the end of the day, we already know, like, certain machines cut better for certain hair textures. That's just how it is. It's just how it is. Like we all know, Fabulous is good for certain hair textures. right? You know, it does everything good, but and these rocks really cuts as Nixie hair, like, you know, that very kinky hair. Andes can cut that. They rock that real good. That's why you see a lot of people rock Andes with certain type of clientele. So that's my gem of the day, man. If you're looking for a knockout clipper, man, like a knockout trimmer, these right here. If you're looking for a knockout clipper, and these are low, the Apex. I ain't talking about the Babyless. I ain't talking about the Mythic. The Apex, man, they cut different than the others too. This is, you know, this is a brush mode. I do. This is like my number 2. This is like, they almost cut the same, but this cut a little bit more detachable. This cut a little bit more like a regular clipper. This is more of a detachable cut. This is my saber, more of a clipper, like an average clipper cut. Cut just like a Babyless, Wall, more of that type of cut. This is the only machine I ever seen cut like a detachable. Cut like a detachable. That's my gem for the day. And they're about to get charged right now. I'm cleaning up right now. About to head to the house. Clean up all my little clippers. I like to rotate them. The reason why I got clippers is fun. It's fun just using different clean machines. I was once upon a time just that guy. Just had one simple, just used one clipper, one trimmer. But, you know, over time, just from collecting, upgrading, what you consider upgrading, technically it's really not. You just get bored, you just want something new. Yeah, I'm not Barber. Hey, man. It's okay. It's okay to be that Barber. I'm not Barber. But please like and subscribe. All right? Please like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate if you made it this far. That means I said something that caught your attention. And you should hit that like button, share button, and subscribe button to help out the channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.